Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the MOVA Mobius 60. If you're interested in the Mobius 60, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, make sure the station in the vacuum is exactly where you want it around your house, so get it positioned properly. And then we'll enter into the app right here, select enter, and once it loads, we'll see that towards the center of the screen, we have a Start Fast Mapping button. You should not have any maps here. That's how you're going to create your initial and first map, walking through those prompts. So we have since repositioned our Mobius 60 so we can hit that Start Fast Mapping button. They walk you through a guide here. Basically, tidy up your house to some extent if you can. Obviously, you want to make sure that all the doors to the rooms that you want mapped and everything is set before you begin this process. Hit OK. And now it's going to dispatch from the station and start mapping. It'll take around 5, maybe 10 minutes depending on how large your house is, but it's very fast and efficient. All right, we just finished mapping. It's returning back to the station to charge. So take a look there. So now it's back in the station. It's populated our map. Let's give it a second to initialize now that it's back in the station. It just said mapping completed, and now you'll notice that it changed right here. So optimizing the map for best results, please start cleaning or edit the map later. But here we go. This just popped up. Is everything correct, or do you need to adjust it? But that all looks good to me, so we're going to say correct. Showing you some of the obstacles here. Thresholds, again, you can adjust that or later. Correct. We have different mop recommendations here, which is cool. So choose which mop pad you want for certain areas. Let's select adjust now. And then we have more obstacles there for the recognition. But now we can swipe up to adjust the mop sequence. Right, so that's pretty cool. It's going to walk us through this. Press and hold the room icon to adjust the room sequence. Tap the room icon to adjust the mop type and room sequence. So here we go. Look at how everything's broken out. So we got our room. And then you can see on the map the mop right there. That's really cool. Super clever. So room 6, move to A or B. Move to A or B for the sequence. So here we go. Choose what you want. So we could just move, let's just say 4 to A. That's how you're going to do that. And change all those as you see fit. But there's the sequence adjustment. And then you can move the rooms between each pad there. So very clever. Very cool that we have that option. Again, you can build all this out. You can come back to it at a later time. It's really up to you, but take a look as well. Make sure everything's installed correctly. But there's our map, super detailed. And again, highly customizable. If you need to make any changes to your map that you didn't do during that process that we just really quickly rushed through, right above the camera icon on the right-hand side of the screen, there's a little map with a pencil. And this gives you all of the map editing features. So it's simple and straightforward to create a map with the MOVA Mobius 60.